Meet the Volkswagen Golf, a global icon of compact cars. Built in Wolfsburg, Germany, this high-tech hatchback combines innovation and practicality like no other. Volkswagen Golf Mk8 continues the legacy of the Golf series as one of the best-selling and most beloved compact cars worldwide. It shares the MQB Evo platform with Audi. Join us as we uncover how massive steel coils transform into one of the world's most beloved vehicles. This is where engineering meets everyday excellence. These giant rolls of steel weigh thousands of pounds. They are delivered to the factory and stored until needed. Each coil is carefully labeled and lifted by overhead cranes. In these shots, we see how carefully each coil is placed to keep it safe and ready for the next step. The production of the Golf begins with the unrolling and cutting of steel, the foundational material for the car's body. An advanced feeding machine unrolls and straightens the steel, ensuring it is smooth and free of bends or wrinkles. This process measures each strip with exact accuracy, preparing it for pressing. The precision in this stage ensures that the Golf body panels will fit together perfectly later in the production process. After cutting, the steel sheets move to giant stamping presses. These machines use extreme force to stamp out doors, hoods, and other body parts. Massive molds called dies shape each panel with precision. Robots equipped with vacuum cups lift and move the freshly stamped parts quickly and safely, ensuring strength and accuracy throughout the process. These heavy purple dies, often marked with codes like OP40, are carefully designed to press flat sheets of metal into the correct shape. Each die set is unique, tailored to a specific part of the car's body. The stamping press brings the die down onto the sheet metal with tremendous force, forming the sheet into the desired shape. This process gives the panels their curved design and precise lines. After stamping, the metal panels come off the line, where workers and sensors check for defects like dents or uneven surfaces. Quality is a top priority, so every piece is inspected before moving on. Long conveyors carry the formed panels away from the press, and robotic arms or automated systems stack them neatly, keeping production organized and ready for the next step. The stamped panels are then welded together to form the car's body frame. Welding guns press against the metal frame, creating strong spot welds with heat. Rows of orange robot arms move smoothly, each arm welding or holding different body parts. A close-up shows a robot tool applying adhesive or sealant along a panel's edge, while thick beads of seam sealer prevent water and air from leaking into the body. Sparks fly as more welds secure brackets and reinforcements to the vehicle's frame. Complex fixtures clamp the body shell, keeping it steady during each welding step. The finished metal shell is lifted onto a yellow conveyor that carries it overhead. From below, the underside of the body is visible as it moves along the factory ceiling. A giant platform lowers the body and rotates it, preparing it for the next dip stage. The car body tilts on its side and enters a large tank, covering every surface in a protective coating. As it comes out, water runs off the metal, leaving a protective coat behind. A worker uses a small brush to apply sealant, filling tiny gaps and seams. The body is guided into the fuller linea, where robots with moving spray arms cover the outside and inside surfaces evenly. Special nozzles spray filler or primer, helping the paint stick better later on. The body rotates in the booth, ensuring all hidden spots are coated. Each layer is checked under bright lights for drips or uneven coverage, while filters in the painting area keep dust away, ensuring the surface stays clean. Once the filler stage is done, the body is ready for the next paint steps. Robots spray the final color coat, making the body shine with a deep blue finish. Each layer is applied carefully so the paint is smooth and even on every surface. After painting, the shiny body moves along a conveyor to dry and cool. Workers use a suction lift to place the metal hood onto the front of the car. Overhead carriers transport different painted bodies in a steady flow down the line. Some shells appear in bright colors, while others remain in darker tones. In the next station, a large machine precisely lines up the front module with the car. This front module includes parts like the radiator and cooling fans, already attached. A robot secures the module to the chassis, ensuring all bolts and connectors fit. The body is now ready for more assembly steps, such as adding doors and interior parts. Once the metal panels are stamped and shaped, they are sent to the body shop, where the car's main structure begins to take shape. In this highly automated section of the production process, robots and skilled workers collaborate to weld these parts into the body in white, which is the basic shell of the car. This phase is crucial as it establishes the foundation for the Golf's safety, rigidity, and durability. Advanced engineering, combined with the precision of laser welding, ensures the body is strong and lightweight, a key factor in the car's overall performance and safety. Specialized robotic arms carefully handle thin metal pieces, placing them between molds designed for accurate positioning. These molds are lined with pink material that not only protects the metal, but also ensures it fits perfectly into place. Small cylinders and hoses powered by pneumatic and hydraulic systems clamp the metal firmly to prevent shifting during the welding process. A large yellow robotic arm lifts a pre-stamped metal panel from its designated storage area and moves it seamlessly to a fixture. Once positioned, the panel is locked securely for the next stage. Robotic arms equipped with advanced welding guns swing into action, attaching brackets and reinforcing the panel's edges. These welding guns apply a combination of intense heat and pressure to create strong, seamless joints between metal components. As one set of robotic arms completes its task, others simultaneously move additional parts into position for welding. This synchronized process ensures efficiency and precision, as the panels are meticulously joined to form the inner framework of the Golf. The body shop operates like a symphony, with multiple robots working in perfect harmony to produce a robust and stable car structure. Once the car's body is complete, it moves on to a sophisticated conveyor system that carries it to the assembly line. This stage involves integrating critical components that bring the car closer to functionality. The car body is secured onto a sturdy platform by robotic systems, which hold it in place while workers and machines begin attaching essential parts. Skilled workers use specialized tools to install key components such as wiring harnesses, structural supports, and mounting brackets. Each assembly station is carefully designed to allow teams to focus on specific sections of the vehicle. For instance, one area might handle the installation of the electrical system, while another focuses on the cooling system. Hoses and wires are connected with great attention to detail, ensuring they are securely fastened and aligned properly. This meticulous approach guarantees the car's electrical and mechanical systems will function reliably. Robots play a critical role here, expertly handling larger components like doors, windows, and the engine. These machines are equipped with grippers and sensors that enable them to align parts with extreme accuracy. As more components are added, the car begins to take shape. Mechanical arms ensure that smaller parts, such as mirrors, windows, and trim pieces, fit perfectly into their designated spaces. Before the car moves on to the next stage, every part is carefully inspected by quality control workers to ensure Volkswagen's high standards are met. The interior assembly process begins with the installation of the dashboard, a critical step in bringing the car's cabin to life. A large machine carefully slides the pre-assembled dashboard into the open cabin. This precision equipment ensures the dashboard is perfectly aligned with the mounting points on the vehicle's interior. Hanging wires and cables, which will connect the dashboard to the car's electrical system, are neatly arranged to avoid tangling or pinching during the installation. Workers closely monitor and guide the process, ensuring every connection is secure. Meanwhile, robots nearby prepare to install larger modules, such as air conditioning units, while workers on the factory floor organize and sort smaller components like trim pieces and wiring harnesses. Once the dashboard is firmly in place, various panels and brackets are bolted in with automatic tools, securing the assembly for the next step. Next, robotic systems begin attaching the car doors. These sophisticated machines lift each door, carefully aligning it with the body's mounting points. Workers inspect the fit and make adjustments as necessary, ensuring that the doors open and close smoothly. Robots then tighten the bolts with precision and apply seals along the edges of the doors to prevent air and water leaks. Side mirrors, door handles, and other fixtures are also installed at this stage. Before moving forward, the doors undergo a thorough alignment check to ensure they meet Volkswagen's exacting standards. The marriage process is one of the most pivotal moments in the production of the Golf. This stage unites the car's body with its engine and chassis, transforming the structure into a functional vehicle. A large fixture holds the engine and front suspension components in place, while special jacks and pins ensure perfect alignment with the car body. Overhead carriers lower the body onto the engine and chassis in a carefully coordinated process. This union is secured by machinery that tightens bolts with remarkable precision, ensuring the assembly is both strong and stable. Workers follow detailed part codes displayed on computer screens to verify that the correct components are being installed. This ensures that every vehicle matches its specific build requirements. Tiny metal brackets and clips are organized in trays to prevent damage or misplacement, adding to the efficiency of this process. Underneath the vehicle, specialized machinery secures the engine with bolts, while other components, such as coolant tanks and washer fluid containers, are already installed. Overhead carriers smoothly transport the vehicle to the next station, allowing workers and robots to access underbody and engine bay areas. With the engine and chassis firmly in place, the car moves forward for additional quality checks and the installation of remaining interior components. At this stage, the Golf is nearly complete, with the precision and care of Volkswagen's production process evident in every detail. Once the assembly and painting processes are complete, every Golf undergoes a series of rigorous finishing touches and quality inspections. This final stage ensures that each car meets Volkswagen's exacting standards before it is deemed road-ready. The process starts with a detailed inspection of the paint finish. Workers carefully examine the car's surface under bright lights, checking for any imperfections such as uneven coatings, scratches, or blemishes. Any issues are immediately addressed to maintain a flawless exterior. Next, the doors, windows, and other moving components are thoroughly tested. Workers open and close the doors multiple times to ensure smooth operation and proper alignment. They also check that seals along the edges are secure, preventing potential leaks or air drafts. Robots and specialized machines may assist by applying extra precision to adjustments where needed. Inside the vehicle, workers inspect the cabin to verify that all interior components are perfectly installed. Seats, panels, and trim pieces are checked for alignment and stability. Even minor details like stitching on upholstery and the placement of decorative elements are reviewed to ensure they meet Volkswagen's high-quality standards. Electrical systems are then put through a series of tests. Lights, indicators, and the entertainment system are powered on to ensure they work without any glitches. Workers also test the car's advanced features, such as navigation systems, sensors, and digital displays, to verify full functionality. The wheels and tires are inspected for proper balance and alignment. Using specialized equipment, workers and machines ensure that the tires are securely fitted and the wheels rotate smoothly. The brakes are also tested to confirm their responsiveness and safety. The car's overall performance is then assessed in a controlled environment. The vehicle is placed on a rolling road, where technicians test its acceleration, braking, and steering. During this stage, onboard computers analyze data to identify any irregularities, and adjustments are made as necessary. Finally, quality control teams conduct a visual inspection of the entire car. This includes confirming that every component, from the grille to the taillights, aligns perfectly with Volkswagen's design specifications. Workers use checklists and tools to ensure no detail is overlooked. Only after passing these rigorous tests is the Golf approved for shipment. This meticulous process reflects Volkswagen's commitment to excellence, making the Golf a true symbol of German engineering and quality craftsmanship.